dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. चलो मैथ्स पढ़ने. Dear students, we have a question of inequality. Yes, inequation. Solve the inequation. This inequation. We have given an equation and we have to solve. We have to find its solution set. How we can solve this? Watch till the end and share it to your friends. Let us start its solution. Okay. First of all, we write the given inequation. Given inequation is x minus 3 by x minus 2 less or equals to 2. And after this, we take the 2 in left hand side and we write like this: x minus 3 by x minus 2 minus 2 less or equals to 0. By solving this, we get what? X minus 2 in denominator and here x minus 3, and we multiply minus 2 by this denominator, then we get minus 2x plus 4. This is the left hand side and right hand side is 0. Left hand side is less than or equal to right hand side, means 0. Okay, and here we solve and write x minus 2 x minus 2x minus x and 4 minus 3, this is 1, and in denominator x minus 2, it is less or equals to 0. Okay, now to remove the negative sign, we multiply on both sides by minus 1, and we know that if we multiply on both sides of an inequation by negative number, then the sign of inequality must change, right? So by multiplying by minus 1 on both sides, we write here x minus 1 and the denominator remains same to less, this is greater or equal to 0. Okay, now we use the sign scheme, and for sign scheme, first of all we find the critical points. Okay, here it is clear that denominator cannot be 0, means x minus 2 not equals to 0, means x not equals to what? 2. X not equal to 2. Also let x minus 1 equals to 0. It can be 0, but denominator cannot be 0, because after that it will be undefined. Okay, so we write like this, and x minus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to 1. Here 1 and 2 are critical points. Critical points. If we have found the critical points, then we use the sign scheme. Now sign scheme. What is sign scheme? Minus infinity to infinity, a number line, and on this number line we represent the two critical points, here 1 and here 2. Okay, and we take two holes on the place of 1 and 2. First of all, here it is known that x cannot be equal to 2, so we left here the blank space and here we fill the blank. Okay, because 1 can be the value of x. Now we take any number less than 1 and check that this inequality will satisfy or not. Okay, take x equal to minus 1 or 0, minus 2, any number less than 1 we have to take. So I am using x equal to 0, because which is also less than 0 or 1. If we put here 0, x equal to 0, then this inequality will satisfy, because 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2. Minus minus will be cancelled, 1 by 2 which is greater than 0. Means we can say that in left hand side solution is positive. Okay, means left hand side is greater or equals to 0, and by taking any number between 1 and 2, if we take any number between 1 and 2, let 1.5 means 3 by 2, if we take and put here in this inequality, it will not be verify this inequality. Why? Because if you put 1.5 in this inequation, then numerator becomes positive but denominator becomes negative. Positive divided by negative is negative. So here we write negative, and after 2 means the number greater than 2 we take and put in this inequation, then it also satisfy this inequality, and here we write positive. Okay, means the solution set is what? Solution set is x belongs to minus infinity to what? 1 open close interval, because 1 is also the solution of given inequality, and union 2 to infinity open interval 2 to infinity. Why? Because 2 is not the solution of this inequality. Okay, but the numbers greater than 2 all are solution of given inequality. So we write this is the required solution set of given inequation. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much.